In this video, I am going to show you how to reboot, reset, and restore your Wemo Mini Smart Plug. These steps will help you troubleshoot issues or set up your device again. Let's get started. How to reboot the Wemo Mini Smart Plug. Unplug the Wemo Mini Smart Plug from the power outlet. Wait for about 10 seconds. Plug the smart plug back into the outlet. This will reboot the device and it should work normally again. How to reset the Wemo Mini Smart Plug. Unplug the smart plug from the power outlet. Press and hold the reset button on the side of the plug. While holding the reset button, plug the smart plug back into the outlet. Keep holding the reset button for about 10 seconds until the LED light starts blinking orange and green. The Wemo Mini Smart Plug will reset and enter pairing mode, ready to be set up again. How to restore the Wemo Mini Smart Plug. Open the Wemo app on your smartphone. Select your Wemo Mini Smart Plug from the list of devices. In the app, go to Device Settings and choose the Restore Defaults option to restore the plug to its original factory settings. Follow the prompts in the app to complete the restoration process. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.